Okay, welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to kind of give you just this quick basic bonus of the terminal that I'm basically using here. So you sort of see that I've kind of, one terminal open here and a second terminal open here. What I'm actually using here is what's called iTerm2, and it's a really, really good terminal for Mac. So if you're on Mac, you may kind of use this. If not, highly recommend using iTerm2. You can download it from the downloads here in iTerm2. Um, and it's very, very good because what you can actually do is you can actually go into iTerm settings here and you can create profiles here. So you can have, multiple kind of profiles that's kind of set up, predefined here. You can change the color, you can change the text, you can change the font size, you can change everything about them. So that when you're actually in that item, you can actually just kind of open it straight away and actually go straight to that command prompt. And when you're actually in the terminal itself, you can actually split the pane vertically, horizontally, and you can do a number of kind of items inside that. So you can change again the kind of text color and font, and it just makes life really kind of easy than using the traditional Mac um, terminal in Mac. So that's what I kind of use. So a few people had been kind of asking me about that. So iTerm2, if you go to their downloads page, you can download that. It'll just kind of allow it. Maybe, from the Mac, you may need to kind of allow it, but it just saves you an awful lot of time. So, and it's really, really handy, really, really nice. And again, it just makes life very, very fast